Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to convert all letters in a string to lowercase, and we're going to use the lower function. First of all, we're going to ask the user to enter a string. We're going to store it in the text variable, and then we type down the name of our variable, which is text, and then dot lower with empty parentheses. So when I run this code, it asks me to enter a string. So everything I would like to be in uppercase. This is Reza Shaheen from Python coding lessons. Okay, and when I enter, you see this is my string, and this is the returned string. This is Reza Shaheen from Python coding lessons. But you see that all letters in my string are now converted to lowercase. So this is how we can use the lower function to have all letters in a string to become lowercase. Thank you for watching.